What up, YouTube? This is a food review. It's not a franchise food. It's a local place that I get from. What's the burger? Like, what's the ingredients? So the restaurant's called Bonilla's. I got the Bonilla's burger. Cheddar cheese, cream cheese, bacon, bourbon sauce, sauteed onions. All right. This is no joke right here. Look at this. Yeah, look at that. Bam. The fries don't lie. The fries don't lie. Booming. Wow. It's a big burger. It's gonna get a little messy. Right, try this out. It's like not mad greasy, but it's like it's greasy. I got all the fries around. Bun. Damn. Where's the bottom? I gotta dig in my way. Crazy. Yo. Look at that burger. Look at that burger. Look here. Look at that burger. You see it? Here we go. Damn. Wait a minute. Can't forget the Bev. Never, 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 never. Out of all the burgers I had in my life, 9.4. 9.4. I got the sauteed onions, got the sauce, a nice and juicy burger, the fresh pickles, got fresh pickles. The fries are not soggy. Look at the fries. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna finish this up and go night night. Subscribe, like, comment, and remember, the fries don't lie. All right.